Life happens, Kandi's can help. The unexpected is never planned for. Here at Kandi's, we work with all major insurance companies and offer free estimates in our auto body and collision department. Our knowledgeable mechanic department serves all makes and models, including classic and high-end vehicles. Allow us to assist in everything from routine maintenance to major mechanical repairs. Are you getting the most out of your vehicle? Ask us about performance upgrades and aftermarket add-ons. Kandi's is your classic car specialist and known for our extreme quality. From restorations and overhauls to custom paint, body mods, and everything in between, we're honored to be a Hagerty expert repair facility. The builds at Kandi's require a wide variety of work, including welding and metal and fiberglass fabrications. Attention to detail in everything we do is vital to producing satisfactory work. We offer a wide variety of car culture and Roth Industries items in our lobby, along with official Kandi's merch, Schaefer lubricants, batteries, wiper blades, and so much more. Kandi's is located at 1722 Claremont Avenue in Ashland, Ohio, and we're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Visit us at www.kandiscustoms.com.